Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth, rotating circular text animation using Canva. First, I'll add a dark background to make the animation stand out. Next, I'll go to Text, add a heading and type Tutorial. I'll increase the text size to 90 and place it perfectly in the center of the canvas. After that, I'll add another heading and type the word Canva. I'll reduce the size to 30, then copy this text and paste it 9 times. I'll also add some letter spacing to make the text more readable. Now I'll go to Effects and select the Curve effect. I'll adjust the curve until the text forms a clean circular shape, then fine-tune its size and position. Next, I'll open Animate and apply the Rotate animation. After that, I'll duplicate the curved text and slightly increase its size. I'll go back to Effects, apply the Hollow effect and adjust the thickness. Then I'll go to Animate again and apply the Rotate animation, but this time I'll choose the opposite direction. Now I'll select both curved texts, duplicate them and increase their size. I'll repeat this process until the entire screen is filled with rotating circular text. Finally, I'll select the main text, go to Effects and apply a neon effect to make it pop. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe.